Hello friends, Shekhar here. Today I am reviewing a very new product, Gemini, which is a breakthrough 3-in-1 software which generates 3 to 4 figure profit every time we press the send button. Let us see what is inside. This includes autoresponder, squeeze page builder, email conversion booster, and traffic. So normally, if you want to buy all these things, this will cost you thousands of dollars per year. But here, everything you are getting at very low cost and all together, which will work very well with your email marketing campaign. Why list? Because 99% of consumers check their email daily, and obviously when you have email in their inbox, they will definitely work. And if your email is good with good squeeze page, then there are chances they will click and you get a good sale. With time, this is email users are increasing globally, which you can see here. From 3.7 million, it has already gone to 4.032 million, which is likely to go to 4.1 million in another three 3 years. So there is very high potential that if you have a list, you will be a king. To get a good list and real profit, what you need, you don't have to struggle for traffic. No need of having truly profitable list, giving up your online dreams completely. So all these problems are solved with Gemini. First time you will be ready to profit, uh, making profit without a technical hassle. Goodbye to guesswork in all when, because everything is done for you, and get a struggling for traffic. All these problems have been resolved by Gemini push button send. Now, which takes you to the next level of your profitability, which means now you can unlock 3 or even 4 figure daily profits without a website, without publishing videos, without creating content, without your own product, without e-commerce store, without a social media strategy, without more than 15 minutes working a day, without learning copywriting and advertising skills, without spending a dime on expensive experts day, because Gemini gives you all including in one platform: lead generation, email marketing, traffic, and conversions. This is 3-in-1 button powerhouse. Squeeze-based software with template and hosting. Powerful Squeeze-based creator converts all your traffic and subscribers to the extent possible. Then unlimited use of autoresponder, no monthly fee, because I will show you how it is available in the market as of now. Then industry's leading email conversion technology. The best technology has been put inside this, and this is a dollar and cents marketing. Each solution inside Gemini delivers industry leading performance and saves you hundreds to thousands dollars ongoing yearly cost for double win on your bottom line. Imagine looking at 3 to 4 figure per day just by sending emails. For most people, it is a completely fairy tale. Thanks to Gemini, it can become your reality. You have covered for step by step, no stone unturned, with over the shoulder training, customized specialty to explode your list using Gemini software, perfect for both completely beginner as well as experienced marketers to take it to the next level. Now you don't have to throw good money after bad on traffic, wasting days and building squeeze pages, learning email copywriting, converting trivial bias psychology, struggling to connect your autoresponders to your landing page, fighting to upload leads to your list, paying hundreds of monthly for essential list marketing softwares. The world's most efficient income solution at your fingertips. Gemini, as close as you get to automatic income stream, as your list grows, literally on autopilot. Once your traffic campaign are in place, all you do is send email minutes per day and no complex tech to figure it out, produce, create video or upload. Push button and send, and rinse and repeat. Your What you have to do is logging and deploy your squeeze page. Just customize one of the included template, and you are all set to start building list in any niche. Then fire up traffic engine to get traffic. Then lastly, push and send profit and uh, push, send, profit and repeat. Keep getting the results. The best part is each Gemini elements work perfectly together or even independently, giving you the ultimate flexibility to skywrite results with any combination of tool you may already be using. Now this is the comparison I had told you. If you are not using Gemini, you are giving Page Builder software, which is 97 per month, autoresponders with unlimited email, which will be 14 149 to 250 per month, email conversion tool 27 per month, and upload custom traffic training, which will cost you 197. All these cost you can save if you buy Gemini today at very low cost. Now let us see what is inside Gemini, what you are getting. First is this welcome, which will give you the overview of entire retail. Then you are getting the software overview, squeeze page builder, autoresponder, advanced autoresponder setup, and email toolbox. Then you are getting training, finding an offer, creating your squeeze page, email marketing, and users urgency. Then you are getting traffic detail from with Bing and solo ads. And so this is the way Gemini works. Now let us discuss the upgrades. If you want to take it to very high level and aim for four figure a day, you may look for these upsells also. Front end will cost you just $27.95, and which will include cloud-based autoresponder, email marketing toolbox, Squeeze Page Creator. An upgrade one will cost you $47, where everything is unlimited. You are getting more Squeeze pages, and then clickable GIF video inside your email, personalized image, self interacting element like yes or no button, user feedback satisfaction button, 2A roles, social media button, and Google Map graphic. Then upgrade 2, you are getting advanced traffic planning, which will cost $67. Upgrade 3 is DFI complaint, 7 proven high converting campaign from Juno's personal campaign collection, collectively who he made him $50,000. These complaints include email swipes, bonus pages plus bonuses, and review videos. Upgrade 4 will cost you $197, high ticket DFY funnel, and limitless traffic, where for 365 days sales pages you will get, and you can also access Juno's personal ad library plus access Juno's personal auto webinar funnel complete with email follow-up emails. Then lastly, resell license. If you want to use uh, this product as your own, you have to pay reseller right, which will cost you $197. Now, these are my bonuses. The super bundle with 35 products and other more tools inside, which will cost, which is the high value bonuses, and total cost is over $4,500. Now, let us look at these bonuses which I'm offering. These are the 35 products which I told you. These are independent products which you can make money separately by using them, including there are two list all other conversion tools also inside, which will definitely boost your profit. So you can see these are the bonuses I'm offering you with this product. You will be glad that you have taken these uh, bonuses, which will definitely make your life very easy, and you will have totally freedom from your debts and any other problems of finance. So, friends, what are you waiting for? Just click the link below and you will get everything what I had shown you, including my bonuses and such a nice and very valuable product. So, have a good day and have a nice time with your new era of your freedom from your all problems.